Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of cryptocurrency in 2025, you might need to move your Dogecoin from one exchange to another. Today, I'm walking you through a simple, step-by-step guide on how to withdraw Dogecoin from Bitmart to Uphold. This process is straightforward, but always remember to handle your crypto with care to avoid any mishaps. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Bitmart and Uphold. Start by logging into your Bitmart account using your credentials. Once you're in, head over to the Wallets or Assets section. This is where you'll see all your cryptocurrencies, including your Dogecoin balance. Next, select Dogecoin from your list of assets. Look for the Withdraw button. It's usually right there on the asset page. When you click it, you'll be prompted to enter the withdrawal details. Now, this is crucial. Copy the Dogecoin wallet address from your Uphold account. Uphold makes it easy. Just go to your Uphold dashboard, find your Dogecoin wallet, and copy the address. Paste that address into the withdrawal form on Bitmart. Don't forget to specify the amount you want to withdraw. Be mindful of any minimum withdrawal limits and network fees, which can vary based on the blockchain. For Dogecoin, it's typically on the Dogecoin network, so keep an eye on those costs to avoid surprises. After entering the amount, you'll need to confirm your identity. This often involves two-factor authentication, 2FA, for security. Enable it if you haven't already. Once everything looks good, hit the Confirm button. You'll get an email or notification to verify the transaction. After that, sit tight. The withdrawal might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion in 2025. Keep an eye on your Uphold account to see when the Dogecoin arrives. A quick tip. Always double-check the wallet address before confirming. Crypto transactions are irreversible. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test. And there you have it. That's how you withdraw Dogecoin from Bitmart to Uphold in 2025. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.